Hey guys, this is Miss Hall, and today we're going to continue working on multiplying with fractions, but we're going to extend it into word problems. Now, I've just told you the operation. Normally, you have to decide if you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, and I just told you that we're multiplying. But I want you to see how I approach the word problem using our models, even though we already know it's multiplication, because next year in fifth grade, you're going to be dealing with all four operations, and it's crucial that you have mastered the multiplication part. So let's get started. There are 6 students in Miss Hall's book club. 2/3 of the students in her group are boys. How many boys are in Miss Hall's book club? Okay, the question that we are looking to answer is, I get my pen going here, is how many boys are in Miss Hall's book club? That's what we're trying to figure out. Okay, well, it says that there are 6 students in the club. So I'm going to draw 6 bars. Again, ignore my drawing. Some of them are coming off neat and some are not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 students. 2/3 are boys. So 3 is our denominator, so we need to cut each one of these into thirds. Okay, and it's fixing some of them for me. All right, and then how much does it say should be shaded in each one? Well, it says 2. So I'm going to come over here and shade 2 in each one. All right, as I shade 2 in each one. All right, then look, and we're going to see how many total have been shaded, because that's going to represent how many boys are in Miss Hall's book club. Okay, because basically what you are saying here is that you have 2/3, get that up, 2/3 of 6, okay? Because you're looking for 2/3 of the 6 boys, and that ends up being 2/3 times 6. Okay, well, when I count that, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 colored in. And my denominator is obviously there's 3 in each one, so 3. Okay, now you can check yourself using the traditional way if you want to real quick. If I were to do 2/3 times 6, remember 6 wholes actually means 6 over 1. And we know 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. You'll notice we got the same thing. But the model shows how you got it. Okay, then if I have 12 over 3 and I want to change that to a mixed number, well, 12 over 3 is actually 4 wholes. So, how many boys are in Miss Hall's book club? The answer is 4 boys. Okay? All right, let's try one more together. Look at this one. Scroll on down. All right, our next problem says there are 8 players. There are 8 players on Bob's basketball team. 3/4 of the players are able to make it to this weekend's game. How many of Bob's teammates will be there to play? So what question am I asking? Well, I'm asking how many of Bob's teammates will be there to play. That's what you're trying to figure out the answer to. Come over here, there's 8 players. So I'm going to draw, maybe fix that one a little bit because it looks bad. I'm going to draw 8 bars to represent the 8 players. So 1, 2, 3, and again, I apologize for my not getting these exactly lined up perfectly. 4, 5. Let's fix that one. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, I do not like how that one looks. So let's fix it. Oh, still not good with my mouse. Okay. Says they're cut into fourths. So I'm going to come here, and you can cut them however you want to, but cut them into fourths. Because we're looking at our denominator. Okay. And again, you do want them equal. I apologize that me using this mouse makes them a little off. Okay, so they're cut into fourths. And then how much do I need to shade on each one? It says 3/4, so color in 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to count. Well, let's set up our problem first before we count. So if I set that up, I've got basically trying to figure out 3/4 of 8, which means 3/4 times 8. So when I count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. There's 24 colored in over a denominator of 4. Because there's 4 in each one. Okay, now let's check it with the traditional way to multiply. 3/4 times 8, which would be 8 over 1. 3 times 8 is 24. And 4 times 1 is 4. So, yep, we did it correctly. Now, 24 over 4, you're looking for your wholes. Well, you can just say 24 divided by 4, and that gives you 6. So when you go back up to the word problem, how many of Bob's teammates will there be to play? There will be, my pen. There will be 6 teammates that are there for the basketball game. Good job, guys. All right, so just check the assignment that your teacher wants you to work on. You should have, I believe, 2 more problems that they want you to solve on your own. Have a good day. Bye.